If you are curious about how Odoo can transform your business, booking a free demo with us is the perfect choice. In this video, I will explain to you what you can expect from a professional Odoo demo. Hello everyone, my name is Tobias Hammeke. I'm the founder of Odoo Business Software Solutions. Welcome to another episode of Why Odoo? Well, from an Odoo demo you can expect to get a good first insight into Odoo and are able to make a solid decision if you want to start a project directly or you need more detailed information with a workshop or proof of concept, for example. Let me explain what happens when you book a demo, for example, with us. After scheduling your Odoo demo appointment online on our website or via email, one of our consultants will contact you to understand your requirements before the demo. Therewith, we can focus the demo on your use case and answer some very individual questions already in the demo. The demo begins with a brief presentation of key facts and figures about Odoo, followed by an introduction of OBS Solutions, our services, our integration approach. Then we'll dive into the Odoo system, guiding you through significant general views, workflows in Odoo. Depending on your overall needs, we showcase Odoo's processes, functions and workflows which are important for your business. In case you have special requirements, we can give you already an outlook on the possibilities with Odoo, considering configuration possibilities, existing applications, solutions that are already built for customers, or developments and integrations that are generally possible. Feel free to ask any question during our Odoo demo. We are here to provide as much information as possible about Odoo's capabilities, pricing, migration, costs, and how Odoo can make a difference to your business. A successful demo is focused to make an informed decision about whether Odoo is the right fit for you and outline as well the next steps. Book your free Odoo demo today and experience the transformative power of Odoo for yourself. We look forward to getting to know you and helping your business thrive. Thanks for watching this episode of Why Odoo. Stay tuned for more insights and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. See you next time.